Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make a simple side dish for Idli, Dosa and Kuzhipaniyaram. Let's start. Switch on the stove and place one kadai. Now I am going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of Channa Dal and 2 tablespoons of black gram dal. Fry it well until it comes to golden brown. Now it becomes golden brown, so I am going to add 3 chopped onions. Saute well. Into this I am going to add 5 dry red chillies. If you need more spice, you can add 2 more red chillies also. Saute well until the onions becomes golden brown. Now I am going to add 2 chopped tomatoes, 1/4 cup of grated coconut, some coriander leaves, 1 whole garlic and a pinch of tamarind. Saute well. Finally, I am going to add some salt for our taste. Saute well until the tomatoes become smashable. Now it's almost ready. Switch off the stove and let it be cooled down. Now we can transfer our tempered ingredient into a mixie jar and grind it as a coarse paste. Our ground chutney is ready. See the texture. Next we need to tempering some ingredients, so that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it's cracked well, we can add some dry red chillies and some curry leaves. That's all. Switch off the stove and we can add this into our chutney. Now our side dish for Idli, Dosa and Kuzhipaniyaram is ready. Would you like to watch the Kuzhipaniyaram recipe? Please check the description box for the link. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.